Hello, good morning. This is Neha. I will be teaching average mean, the topic of maths of class 10th. Mean is a word which actually means average. Now, if we talk about average, average can be of anything. It can be average height of a person, right? If there is a group of people who is standing, we can calculate their average height, right? So if we want the average, that means it can be of any examples. You can take as many examples like a normal child. For him, average marks, right? He scores marks in a number of subjects, right? But after that, we take out the average marks so that we get to know what is his average percentage. Where is he standing? Is he scoring 70%, 80%, 90%, right? That we calculate with the help of average only. What is the actual formula if we understand it in a normal thing? If a child, he's taking 3 subjects, suppose English, maths and Hindi. He has scored say 50 marks here, 60 here and 70 here, right? Now if we want to see that what is the average marks he is getting, we will do the total of all the 3, that is 50, 60, 70 upon the number of subjects we are taking. This comes out to 50 and 60, 110 and 180, 360. That means he is scoring 60 marks on an average basis, right? For a child, what is it? The basic understanding that he is getting rounded off. If you take, you will get that he is getting proportionately 60 marks in each subject, right? Here he is scoring 10 marks more than 60. Here he is only on 60, and here he is taking less than 10 marks from 60, so he's getting 50 here. That is why the average is coming out is the midpoint. You can also understand that average is what? It is the mid part, meaning that if there are 3 numbers or 4 or 5, if the numerator increases, then obviously the upper numbers are also increasing. Now I will be taking that average we can calculate. This was the series which I was talking about, was individual series. Now individual itself means that only one, so therefore only one information is available. Like here I was talking about marks, so it was x, only x. That means it can be any 3 numbers or 4 numbers or whatever it is, the sum of all the numbers upon the numbers which are available. So what is the formula for individual series? So here mean is equal to summation x upon n. This is for individual series, where we total out the x numbers and then we give the number of items which were given. It is being used as n. Now talking about the second series, it is discrete series. Discrete, the word die. Die means 2. That means here the data was given only of one thing, right? Here it is 2. That means the information will be x and f. Whatever the information is in the question, that shows that if x we are taking, like it can be average number of students also, right? The people who are getting 60 marks, 70 marks, 80 marks. What is the frequency? There are 5 children, there are 4 children, there are 3 children, right? Assuming that there are 12 children total in the class. This gives you an information of 2 values, x and f. So here, if the information has changed, obviously the formula also changes. What you need to calculate is fx. So you will be multiplying these 3, 60 into 50, 300, 7 4s are 28, 83s are 24, again 240, right? Now you will be totaling out fx this time, and also the f which we have already totaled out. 8 and 4, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 20, right? Now the formula for discrete is mean is equal to summation fx upon summation f. So the formula which comes out is mean is equal to summation fx upon summation f. I hope this is clear. Now I can erase this part. Obviously just the formula will be kept out, that for individual series what formula you need to use, and then for discrete series, what formula you need to use. The third type of questions is, you can also say the series which is available, that is continuous series. Now continuous series here means what? That something which is in continuation. So you might have seen, like, the information which is available is something like this. Some class intervals are given and then the frequency is given. Now class interval can be like a child is scoring from marks 0 to 10. That means it's actually a range. That means it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Then if we talk about the second thing, it comes out to 10 to 20. Then the third we can, and it can obviously go as much as you want. I'm just taking the information so much shortened way so that it is actually understandable in such a short video. So in 0 to 10, if we say that there is a frequency of 5 children, that means 5 students are getting marks in the range of 0 to 10. Here we can take, again we can take the same information, 5, 4 and 3, just to easy out the calculation. Again it comes out to 12. Now when we are having this class interval, it cannot be obviously multiplied, right? Here we were using fx, but here there is no x. Now we need to calculate. It can be even x, or you can even say m. In some books you will find that there are different additions. They use x or they call it m. M is actually the midpoint. Now what is the midpoint between 0 to 10? It is 5. From 10 to 20 it is 15, and then from 20 to 30 it is 25. Now again FM can be calculated. 5 into 5, 25, 15 4s are 60, 25 3s are 75. The total can be done. 75 and 20 comes out to 100, and then 160. Now the formula can be again the same. Just this is mean is equal to summation FM upon summation F. This is actually a direct method. Now I'll be making a different video where this continuous series can also be solved in 3 different methods. So here the 160 upon 12, when you will do the calculation, will come out. So here I was just taking a very small concept just to clarify the differences between the 3 series. Thank you so much.